Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me Muhammad Hasnan and welcome back to another video. So in our today's video, we are going to discuss about a very essential and important organ in a human body, which is the liver. So firstly, what is the liver? So the liver is basically a red or brown organ which is located in the upper right abdomen of your body, right below the diaphragm on the right side. So the liver is the most hard-working organ of the human body. The liver works non-stop 24 hours so that our body can function properly. The liver grows itself with our body. When we become a complete adult, the liver almost weighs around 1.4 kg. There are many countless tasks which the liver do. For example, one of the very major tasks the liver does is that it cleans our blood, which needs to be transferred around the body. And it also produces a greenish liquid, a very important digestive juice, which is known as bile. And we will discuss these tasks in detail. But let me tell you that the liver also does 500 other secondary tasks without which we would collapse. The liver stores energy in form of a sugar which is known as glycogen. Now let's start the process. So firstly, the blood comes to the liver from the heart and the intestine. The blood which is coming from the intestines to the liver contains carbohydrates, fats, vitamins and many other nutrients. In simple words, the liver's task is basically to sort out these nutrients. The liver either processes, detoxifies, stores or alters the nutrients which are in the blood. Firstly, the carbohydrates. So what the liver does with the carbohydrates is that it converts them into a sugar which is known as glucose. The glucose is sent within clean blood to the whole body so that we can use the sugar as energy. The extra nutrients which our body currently doesn't need are stored in the liver. They are stored so that our body can use them in future. So this was that the blood contains many nutrients, but within the nutrients, the blood also contains many toxic substances which our body doesn't need and they're harmful. The liver also cleans the blood from these toxic substances. Either the liver sends some of the toxic substances out of the body through urine or stool. Other toxic substances which aren't taken out of the body, they are converted by the liver into bile. As I told you earlier, bile is a greenish digestive juice which is very important. So the liver converts them into bile. The bile liquid is then stored into a small container which is below the liver, which is known as the gallbladder. Bile is then poured into the intestines, which does many tasks. Bile helps the intestines digest, means break down fats, eliminate microbes which are germs. It also helps neutralize the extra stomach acid, means the hydrochloric acid in our stomach, which is extra, so it helps neutralize it, and it also helps take out the extra toxic substances from the body. So this was how the liver cleans the blood and how the toxic substances are converted. Now let's talk about other tasks of the liver. The liver produces cholesterol. I know you might be thinking that cholesterol is bad for our body. Yes, it is, but still your body needs some of it. Cholesterol is needed to build cell membranes in a cell, so the liver produces cholesterol. When you are injured, as you know that your body uses vitamin K to produce a blood clot around the injury. So basically the liver helps in this also. The liver produces proteins which combine with vitamin K and produce a blood clot in case of an injury. Another task the liver does that it breaks down old and damaged cells which the body doesn't need anymore. I hope that now you understood the countless tasks the liver does in our body. As it is a very essential organ in the human body, you need to take care of your liver. You need to take care of your liver to keep it healthy and make it function properly. So you should do regular exercise, you should eat healthy, and you should avoid drinks that contain alcohol. Now let me tell you a plus point which might make you happy. That is that when the liver is damaged, the liver can regrow itself. As you know that the liver tissues are damaged, so the liver can repair and regrow its tissues by its own self. So this was all about a very essential organ in the human body. I hope so that you find this video factual and interesting. If you did so, then don't forget to like this video, subscribe my channel for further videos, and also share it with your family and friends so that they can also gain this information. Thanks for watching.